Hello guys, welcome to another baking video. Today we're going to be making
Cheshire Cat Tails.
So you can get these in the Magic Kingdom in the Cheshire Cafe or Cheshire Cat Cafe, right next to the teacups. You probably can get them other places as well. I know they do a version of it in Animal Kingdom, which is like a tiger tail or something, isn't it?
Yeah.
But basically it's just a chocolate twist pastry with icing on top. So yeah, let's go into what you need. So for the recipe we're just going to use ready, like store-bought puff pastry, and then you need some icing, and we're using Magic Stars, but you can use chocolate chips, and then you need some food colouring, purple and pink, just to do the Cheshire Cat colour. So once you've unravelled the pastry, you can use, if you wanted to do more of them, just have a separate, just buy two of the pastry sheets and put them on top. But what we're going to do is we're going to just split this one in half so that we have a top and a bottom. Just going to use a pizza cutter because why not?
Okay, so we're just cutting the Magic Stars up now just to make them smaller so they'll melt better when we put them into the chocolate twist without cutting my fingers off. Okay, once you've got all your chocolate chips, all you need to do is cover them on the pastry that you've got cut ready. Just make sure that you fill all of it so it's all chocolatey.
So once you've sprinkled the first sheet of pastry with the chocolate, you then need to get the second half, which you cut off earlier, and you need to cover this part with the pastry. Just put that there, it's easier. Once you've put the two pieces of pastry together with the chocolate, you then need to get the knife, or in our case a pizza cutter, and section them so you've got, it's not going to be just one big one. So here we go.
Before you put them onto the tray in the oven, you need to make some egg wash to brush over the top of them, which is what we're doing now.
It's just one egg, that's it. Obviously if you're making more then you'll need more than one egg, but yeah, just whisk an egg together and then put it over the pastry. It's just to give it like a glaze, really. But yeah.
Okay, so it's now time to twist them.
So I have read, and hopefully it goes right, that all you need to do is twist from each side. So get them off the sheet first, and then let's go for it, I guess. It's doing something. I'd say that'll do, don't care. So once you've twisted them, which I think we've done a bang average job, you then need to just egg wash them, yeah, so just coat them in egg. So once they're egg washed, you need to then shove them in a preheated oven at 200 for about 25-30 minutes. And then we'll come back and we'll put some icing on them.
Okay, so they've just come out of the oven now, so we just need to leave them to cool down before we put the icing on.
So we've got our 2 lots of icing sugar, because we're doing 2 different colours obviously. So for the icing sugar you need about 120 grams, and then you need warm water, which is about 15 ml. So we've split the 100, so there should be about 65 in each. just over, and then just mix it. Add the water and then get mixing. Thank you.
Okay, so now we're going to add the food colour in to 2 separate balls of icing, just so it gives it the colours of the Cheshire Cat. So we've got pink and purple. Might need more, I don't know. We'll see what this is like first.
That's looking a nice colour.
Okay, so there's the purple. Okay, so now I'm going to try and put it onto these tidily. Okay, so we've made them now and they've all set with the icing on, so here's the end product of the Cheshire Cat Tails.
I think they came out better than expected, to be honest, I think.
Yeah.
When we twisted them originally I thought, oh no. But they look quite tasty, so let's have a taste. Right, time to try.
Very sugary.
Very sugary, but I do think they're better than the ones from Disney World. Because obviously they make so many of them there. And they're just left out, aren't they? So they're quite dry, but I do enjoy that. So guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new here, welcome, and we'd really appreciate if you could subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, we've really enjoyed doing these baking videos, haven't we?
Yeah.
So definitely expect more. But yeah, thanks for watching and have a magical day.